Hey there. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create an Airtable form. First, open the base where you want to create your form. You'll see your tables and data load up. At the top of the window, you'll see a button that says Forms. Click on that. A page will open, giving you the option to create a new form or browse templates. Click the plus New Form button. A configuration window will pop up, asking you to select which table you want to use to store your form submissions. Click on the table dropdown to expand it. You'll see a list of your existing tables. Choose the one you want, or if you prefer, you can create a new table here. The form will automatically pull in fields from whichever table you select. Now type a name for your form in the Form Name field. Once you've done that, click Create Form. The form editor will open with a blank canvas and a Properties panel on the right. Airtable automatically adds all the fields from your table to the form, so you'll see them populate on the canvas. To rearrange fields, click and hold any field, then drag it where you want it. You can drop a field above or below another field to reorder them, or drop it on top of another field to place them side by side. Click on any individual field to open its properties in the right panel. If you want to make a field required, toggle on the Required option. You can also set fields to show conditionally based on other responses. To customize the overall look of your form, click on the edge of the form canvas, or click the Form button at the top of the Properties panel. This opens the general form properties where you can edit the title, description, and appearance. Scroll down in the Properties panel to find the submission settings. Here you can toggle on, see who submitted a response if you want to require people to log in before submitting. You can also customize the message that appears after someone submits the form by typing it into the Show This Message box. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click Publish at the top of the form editor. The live version of your form will open. To share it, click Share Form in the top right. You'll get options to copy the public link, embed the form on a website, or adjust link settings. Copy the link and share it with whoever needs to fill out the form. They don't need an Airtable account to submit. A couple of useful things to know. Every form submission automatically creates a new record in the table you selected, so you can see all responses in your base straight away. In the link settings, you can add password protection, stop accepting new responses, or completely disable the form link if you need to. And if you ever want to change something, just head back to the Forms button and click on your form to edit and republish it. And that's how to create an Airtable form. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.